All right, let's get started. So we are in chapter 4, page 116, the prompt box. A prompt box is used to accept a value from the user before proceeding to the desired page. This box also presents two buttons to move ahead or stay on the same page. The OK button returns the input value, while clicking the cancel button gives no. So this is 08. And I'm just going to move this HTML outside of the script tags. Once again, I already have my link to the CSS file and also to the JS script file that has our menu. So first thing we do, we create our button. And our button is going to call a JavaScript function called pbox. Then we create our p tag where our text is going to be inserted. And now we create our function. Function pbox. All right. So here we've got, in our function, we are creating the variable called MSG for message, not the cholesterol-free oil. We've got a variable called name that contains a prompt function that will display what is your name and then enter your name. And then following that, we have an if statement. If the variable name is empty or does not contain anything, then it's going to display a message That's not right. That should be if it's not empty. So if name is not empty, that makes more sense now. Then it will display hello with a space. It's going to enter the contents of the variable name, and then append the welcome to the world of JS. Right, so the variable name here, before it saves anything, it'll prompt for the input. And when you enter the input of the name, it saves it in that variable. And then finally, it's going to run the document, get element by ID to select this P element tags. Then it'll use the inner HTML function to insert the content of the MSG variable, which again, MSG contains the text hello, the contents of the variable name, and welcome to JS World. Okay, so I'm gonna save this, and let's see if it works. Now this is where I find out if I made any typos. Okay, so far it's working. What is your name? Panfilo Sanchez Bob. Hello, Panfilo Sanchez Bob. Welcome to the world of JS. Interestingly enough, this worked on the first try. What did I do wrong?